Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to choose another recipe from my Thanksgiving menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Bacon Gruyere Smashed Potatoes. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. White pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper. Salt. Chopped parsley. Dried thyme. Unsalted butter. Bacon. Sliced onions. Gruyere shredded cheese. You can also use white cheddar cheese if you do not have Gruyere cheese. Whole milk. And in this pot here, I have the red skin potatoes that we have to cook. I'm going to turn the stove on to medium high. Now let's get to making the bacon Gruyere smashed potatoes. I have a skillet here and I'm going to turn it on medium low, and the bacon, we're going to add the bacon to the pan. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now it's time to flip the bacon. And we're going to let it cook on this side till it gets nice and crispy. Now we're going to take the bacon out, and I have a bowl here with paper towel to drain off some of the excess oil from the bacon. Now that the bacon has drained off most of the oil or the grease, we're going to put the bacon over here. And then we're going to cut it up into little pieces. This is the bacon that I just cut into little pieces. Now we're going to put this to the side and wait till we do the next step before we add the bacon. Now I have a skillet here and I'm going to turn it on medium low. We're going to add the butter and the onions. And we're going to let this cook up here until it gets golden brown. First, we got to add the white pepper and the salt. And a little bit of the thyme. Okay, the onions have cooked till golden brown. Now we turn it off. We cover it up. And now we're going to mash the potatoes. Now we're going to add some butter and the milk and a little salt. Then we're going to smash them down, but we don't want the mash totally all together. We want lumps to be left in it. Now that the potatoes have been mashed up completely, we're going to move on and add the rest of the ingredients. We have the bacon, the rest of the thyme, some of the cheese, the onions, now we're going to mix everything up together. Now that mixed up, we're going to add the parsley. Going to mix this up. Now that the parsley have all mixed together with the potatoes, we're going to add the remaining cheese on top, and we're going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it. Bacon Gruyere Smashed Potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.